Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Chinese bootleg company Daban. So I have here the Gundam Epyon special coating, and yep, I just got hyped on this kit here. To be honest, I just want, or as much as I like to buy the original Epyon, the normal one without this special coating, because the special coating is a bit expensive. I got hyped by the cheapness of this kit price, and based on the reviews, since it's a bootleg, for me, this is already passable, or para sa akin okay na to. So I just bought it for 949 pesos. So this is cheap compared with the 5,000 to 6,000 pesos original version of the Gundam Epyon special coating by Bandai. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this kit is all about and why I got hyped on buying this. Fangen wir an, los geht's, yalla ta'al, habibi. So the Epyon box here is the same, just like the same from the Gundam base, but the carton here doesn't have, of course, the Gundam base logo, so this is a bootleg or the Chinese knockoff. But it has the same appearance from the original box art, where we can see the Epyon posing here, together with the finished special coated product. So this is a bit shiny, pinkish, maroonish color, not the traditional maroon colored Epyon. So yep, I just got hyped on this because I just want to try what this bootleg Epyon is all about. That's why I bought it. So the carton here doesn't show any logos of course, the Gundam base, to avoid being sued by Bandai. And the side of the box here, you can see the front view, rear view, and the transformed dragon, twin head dragon mode thing. And there we can see the action pose, aerial action pose of the Epyon, wielding his shield with whip and the large beam saber or beam sword. And then we can see there the wings being spread into its majestic pose. Okay, we go to the other side of the box. Again, we can see the front view and rear view, and of course the original box art from the original model. Okay, and the back of the box, we can see the 6602s. Of course, this is the Bandai or the Daban code for its knockoff kits. So if we open the box here, which I did earlier, we can see here the instruction manual. So let's focus first with the instruction manual. There we can see the traditional Daban way of printing things for their manual, which is color white, and you can only see the code for this one. So you might get confused why is there, or why there's no S on the 6602s or the 6602, because they just used the original Gundam Epyon bootleg, and of course the special coating is still the same with the normal version. Okay, so if we open the manual here, we can see the parts list. And what fascinates me here is there are translation on the Chinese text. Yeah, there are English translation, but after I read those English translation, I noticed that this is just a Google Translate. There are so many wrong grammars there. Okay, so there we can see the black and white copy or print out for this manual there. I think this is the same with the Bandai, but only the Chinese texts are available for this one, as I observed. And judging the appearance or the way how this kit will be assembled, I find the simplicity of every parts. But of course, I am prepared on the difficulty level since this is a knockoff kit or the bootleg product. Okay, so expect the worst for this kit. Anyway, let's go with the pack of the kits here. We got the shiny. I really like the shade of this color. The shiny pinkish maroonish coat here. There we got the second pack, third pack, fourth pack here with beam saber effect parts, which is, I find it dull, by the way. It's not so good. There's no brightness for this beam saber effect part. So anyway, what do we expect with the bootleg? So this is the fourth pack, fifth pack for the inner frame parts, sixth pack, and seventh pack, and finally eighth pack. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's go with the coated parts here. We got runner B for the wings, and yep, these are all for the wings and for the shoulder armor. And I just I'm just a bit disappointed on the back part here, since there are some coat, what do you call this? There's some bubbles on the sprayed paint here, but good thing this is for the inner parts. The outer parts here are all smooth. But unfortunately, as I assess this kit, this is not undergated. So there would be so much nub marks, I presume, or I expect so many nub marks for this kit. Anyway, this is runner B. We got here multicolored runners for runner A. Yep, we got gold parts, gray parts, white parts, and for the pilot figure of Zex Marquez or Milliard Piece Craft. And there we got what they call this clear plastic parts or plastic pieces here. Okay, again we go with the shiny part here, or the spray painted part, which is runner B. So we got two runner B here. Then we got runner C2 for, I think this one for the feet, for the foot parts. Then we got here gray parts, or I think this one is metallic gray parts, but okay, it's already tight. It was clamped together, so just be careful, okay? And then there's this fallen piece here, I don't know. So this part of runner G. Yep, we got runner G here. Then we got another runner G here. So we got two runner Gs. And we got polycaps. Yep, polycaps here. There are polycaps. Then we got dark blue parts, I think. Or yep, somehow it's like a dark blue. So this is runner E. Metallic gray parts for the inner frame and the manipulators, and for the head part is runner H. We got here dark blue parts again, runner D. And another runner D. So we got 2 sets of runner D, and then runner C2 for this spray paint, or what do you call this? Chrome parts. Then we got this small pieces here, runner I for, I think this one for joint parts. Yep, this is joint parts. Then we got this very dull looking beam saber effect parts, which is clear green, but you can see the dullness here. It's not that tantalizing, or it's not that appealing to me. But okay, what do we expect for the bootleg? And finally, we got the wire for the sword, and this is very thick wire. It's very hard. Same with the Barbatos. What they call this? The wire used to be the Barbatos kit. And of course, we got a very ugly sticker. Yep, I am so disappointed with this sticker. You can see there are scratch marks, or there are faded green color there. So instead of green, it became silverish here. So very bad foil sticker. Okay, so start building this shit here. Ayan, natapos ko na yung Gundam Epyon at napakaganda. This kit exceeded my expectation. As I heard the reviews from other Epyon collector, this Daban Epyon here, I heard so many bad things about this kit, but it didn't prevent me from buying this from the man. And this kit really exceeded my expectation, honestly. I was considering buying the Bandai model for this kit because I know Bandai is really good. I like original kits as far as I want. As far as I collect model kits, I want everything to be original. But of course, original, may pagkamahal, mahal yung Gundam base limited nito. I can see from other shops that it's overpriced, about 5,000, 6,000. They sell it for like that, and marami na akong mabibiling ganong kit sa ganong presyo. So I tried buying this Daban, but it exceeded my expectations. Sobrang sarap buuin. Sobrang gandang buuin. There are some fitting issues, especially dito sa wings, but it's manageable. I did sand some joints, or pegs, I mean. I did sand some pegs, trim some chips like that inside to make it fit, and it works. Yep, it works. So, yung mga nag-review that this kit is somehow a hand grenade. Well, it's not a hand grenade for those skilled builders like me. So, hindi siya hand grenade. So, dali lang naman siyang remedyohan. Maraming bagay na pwedeng remedyohan sa kit na to. And after that, it will be as beautiful as this. So magnificent. I'm really content on building this. So I might not buy the Bandai anymore because this is already good. The kit is already good. So meron lang mga points, especially dito sa may shoulder dito, na sobrang loose, but I did some super glue tightening techniques. Then that's it. So ayan, wala na, hindi na siya tight. Medyo medyo kailangan mo lang munang laruin dito sa shoulder niya bago mo pihitin, kasi might as well sa unang bira mo ng ganun, mabali mo kaagad yung joint. And ganyan muna siya, laro-laruin mo muna ganyan. So ayan. So before, without super glue, isang ganun mo lang, isang pitik mo lang dito, ano na siya, ganun kaagad. But with super glue tightening technique, yep, I did tighten the shoulder joint. So there. For this video, I will not do the articulation anymore because I'm a bit lazy also. There are so many Epyon reviews, so just watch the Epyon. So I will just make some comment on this one. And for the transformation sequence, you know me, I don't transform my kit as much as possible. I just like making my kits on the mobile suit mode because that's how I want it to be displayed. And so let's just talk about some building experience or building process, yung mga encounter ko while building this kit. So in the shoulder, be careful on building the joints there because this copy of mine, the other one is tight, the other one is loose. The bad thing is the loose one, yun pa yung sinand ko, kaya nag-loose lalo instead of sanding the tight one. So yun, ang naging remedyo ko doon is do some super glue tightening para maibalik yung pagka-tight ng joint na yun. That's why if I do that, yep, swabe na siya. Parehas na silang swabing tight. Ayan. See? Okay? And dito sa may crest niya, be careful on this part. Because this white one, this pearly white one, tends to tumikwas. So, medyo, ano siya, mahirap siyang i-fit dito sa my chest part kasi titikwas siya at if you're going to press more or press forcefully, this will snap. So what I did is I sand the peg for this chest here, dito sa chest piece na to para sumaktod na tong white part na to. So that's it. And dito naman sa may waist niya, wala naman ako na-encounter na problem dyan. Napaka-smooth i-build ng mga pyesa dito. And also for the legs. But be careful on this fins or itong parang palikpit nga dito sa paa kasi it tends to get loose also. So if you're going to build this, might as well put super glue. So i-glue mo na siya para hindi na matanggal. So loose siya pero napaka-brittle. Brittle yung peg niya. So be careful. Pag kinabit mo siya, i-glue mo na lang. Pero hindi ko pa yung ginuglue kasi baka may gawin pa akong may gawin pa akong modification. That's why I didn't glue it yet. For the feet, wala akong problema dyan sa feet. Napaka-smooth i-build. And for the sword here, I did trim some pegs dito sa may connection niya dito dahil masikip. So nag-trim ako ng mga butas dyan to make the sword snap together. Okay? Or fit together. Then for the wire, I removed the metal wire inside. So what I did is hinugot ko yung bakal, yung alambre sa loob. Because ang tigas ng alambre. Pag may alambre to, lumalaban dito sa kamay. So I did remove the alambre para magaan lang siya. Ayan. So wala, hindi naman lumalaban, di ba? And for the back part, here in the back part, wala akong na-encounter na problem except when putting it inside the peg dun sa likod. Kasi medyo masikip yung peg. So what I did is I sand the peg I sand a bit, and also dun sa polycap na pang kabitan niya. So I did sand a bit para pumasok ito. And yun lang. Dito sa paa wala talagang problema dyan. Dito lang ako sa shoulders nagka-problema. So shoulders kasi loose and tight. Hindi siya parehas. And for the whip dito walang problema. As in, napaka-smooth i-build. It's like a Bandai quality, to be honest, with some minor issue na madali namang solusyonan kung ikaw ay skilled builder. So this kit is recommended. Yes, recommended. Don't believe in other reviews that this kit is hand grenade, or maybe my kit is just a good copy. But if it happens na your kit is a bit hand grenade, just use your skills in sanding and modifying. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying this Epyon here is a must buy. Yep, it's a must buy. Ang kanyang kulay, by the way, it's not that toyish. I like the silhouette. This chrome colored, tama lang yung chrome colored niya, hindi shiny, hindi masyadong shiny, hindi siya fingerprint magnet. I bet the Bandai one is a fingerprint magnet, but this one it's not. It's a bit matted, but there's a shine. Even it's a bit matted, there's a shine, but hindi toyish yung pagka-shine niya. See, as you can see there, it's very nice. Makikita pa rin yung yung reflection ng aking kamay, but it will not catch any sweat marks. So this is a must buy. Bilhin nyo na. Bilhin nyo na. Galing. Goodbye. God bless. Take care. Auf Wiedersehen. Masalama. Paalam sa inyong lahat. Rock and roll.